If you're a teacher whose job is in imminent danger, you need to listen to what I'm about to say. You have rights. You have quite a few rights under the education law. You might have heard this referred to as Section 3020A of the education law. You have the right to be told very specifically what it is that you've done. You have the right to a lawyer. You have the right to have a hearing before an impartial arbitrator who will decide whether or not the school district can prove the charges against you. You have the right to call your own witnesses. You have the right to testify if you want to, but you don't have to. You have the right to cross-examine and confront all of the evidence that the school district brings against you. All of these rights are very, very valuable, and you should take them very seriously. But what it comes down to is a question of using them effectively, of being able to go before a hearing officer with a valid, credible defense, and knowing when you should assert that defense or not. There are many cases where you're better off with a strategy of negotiating rather than fighting. It depends entirely on the case. What you need to do is sit down with a very, very experienced lawyer who can dissect the charges, figure out how serious they are, look at your past record, figure out how that plays into this, and then be able to tell you exactly what it is that he or she can do for you. So it might be that you can just pay a fine, it might be that you can get suspended, or it might be the kind of a case where you've got to go through with the entire hearing and fight the thing all the way to try to be exonerated. It depends on the facts and the circumstances. So what that means is the first step that you need to take is you need to take those charges that you've been given and bring them to an experienced lawyer. I'm a lawyer who for many years has represented public school districts, very prestigious public school districts in fact, and who has done so in the context of disciplining teachers. I know what school districts look for, I know what hearing officers look for, I know how to present a credible defense, I know what doesn't look good. I know when it's time to fight and when it's time to negotiate. If what I'm describing is your situation, then you need to come to speak with me or to experience counsel very soon.